Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how you can find software version and hardware version of your Android phone. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open settings and find system management. If you don't find, search it in search bar. Then move to about phone. So in about phone you can see different options, and here you can find software version and hardware version. You can also see Android version, processor, RAM, phone storage, IMEI numbers, and many more data. So if you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.